everyone, welcome again. In our this chapter, I am going to explain bit more about the access modifiers in C sharp. The first question is what is the access modifiers? Access modifiers means I want to define the visibility and accessibility of class, methods, variables. Okay, that is called the access modifiers. It means suppose I declare a class and in the class I have some methods, some variables. I want to define that who can access this my method and variables. That is called the access modifiers, right? Or class. So how many types of access modifiers? We have, you can see in the screen, private, public, protected, internal, and private protected. These are the six access modifiers in C sharp. What is the accessibility? Let's go to the chart. You will better understood in the same screen. When we declare the modifier as the public, we can access in the same class or derived class or same assembly or other assembly. Assembly means project, we can say. We can access in the same project, and for other project we can also the access if we define as a public. What means private? If anything declared in the private, we can access in the same class. We even cannot access in the derived class or anywhere. If it is protected, so we can access in the same class as well as derived class. If it is internal, then same class, derived class, and same assembly. It should be in the same assembly. Protected internal, same class, derived class, and it should be same assembly, and other assembly in the derived only. Similarly, private protected, same class, derived class, and it should be the same assembly. Let's go and check the example in Visual Studio. I declare a class car. Here I declare all six type of variables. This is the public, private, internal, color protected, private protected, and protected internal. Now I am creating a drive class. Don't create the drive class. I creating the new class, and I want to creating the object I want to access. You can see here public is accessible, but private is not accessible. You can see, we can see the message color private is inaccessible due to protected level. Okay, so private cannot access. Internal we can access because it is in the same assembly. Protected we cannot access, you can see here, because protected can only accessible in the derived class, not the different class. Okay, private protected also cannot be accessible. Protected internal can be accessible in the different class, but it should be in the same assembly. Now let's create a class student, and I am, this is the derived class, and I am inheriting the car class. Now you can see here public is always, you can private even in the derived color also we cannot access, but internal, protected, private protected, and protected internal all can be accessible in the derived class. Okay, private only accessible in the same class. You can see here private can be accessible because it is in the same class. Okay, hope I am able to explain. And Let's go to the summary and with the chart here. So what will, so there are 6 access modifier: public, private, protected internal, and protected private protected. In the same class, all are can be accessible, but public can be accessible anywhere, private in the same class, protected in the same class, derived class only, internal same class, derived class, but it should be in the same assembly. Okay, protected internal same class, derived class, and it should be the same assembly. In other assembly we can access only in the derived class. And private protected same class, derived class, but it should be in the same assembly. Okay, so this is the access modifiers uh, in the C sharp, and that's all for this video. And in the next chapter I will move to the 4 pillars of the OOPS concept. I think you guys remember what is the 4 pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, extraction. I will give you in the brief details in the next chapter. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.